Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by ensuring a backup exists. This protects data if you need to restore. Once done, make sure battery and Wi-Fi are steady. Open Settings, tap General, then find VPN and Device Management or Profiles. This is where beta enrollment's live. You're removing the iOS 26 beta profile itself, which tells your iPhone to receive pre-release updates. Tap the beta profile and choose Remove Profile. You may be prompted for your passcode. This stops further beta updates being pushed to your device. After removing the profile, reboot your iPhone. This finalizes enrollment changes and clears update scheduling. Once the device restarts, go to Settings, General, Software Update to confirm the beta enrollment is gone. If an iOS 26 beta update file is already downloaded, tap Delete Update. Otherwise, the phone will only show public releases. You do this because leftover beta files can reinstall. If you plan to return to the public version immediately, continue to the final steps now. If you're still running an iOS 26 beta build, restore to the latest public iOS using Finder or iTunes. Connect to a Mac or PC, enter recovery mode, and choose Restore. This replaces the beta system. Make sure you have a backup. Restores erase the device. If you prefer not to restore, simply wait for the next public update after removing the profile. Troubleshooting tip. If beta updates persist, reset network and settings, reboot, and recheck profiles. Contact Apple support if needed.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.